पर आई थिंक मेरी बॉडी थक गई है अब नहीं होगा मुझसे so maybe Big Boss, yeah. Sleep is really underrated. I
Yeah.
think sleep really heals your mind and body like nothing. Solid support system, like someone you can fall back upon, like you know that that person's gonna be there to take care of you or hold you. I think that's a huge green flag. Like you can count on them.
We have a BL quickie round. You have to give quick, unfiltered answers, and we are really looking forward for some fun replies. So there we go. Big Boss
Let's go.
and Khatro Ke Khiladi. What would you choose?
3 years ago it would have been Khatro, but I think मेरी body थक गई है अब नहीं होगा मुझसे so maybe Big Boss, yeah.
Big Boss. Okay, and your fitness mantra?
Lots of sleep. I think sleep is really underrated. I think sleep really heals your mind and body like nothing else does. Yeah.
How many hours in a gym do you invest?
Gym, I've recently stopped going to the gym. I started kickboxing, so I keep experimenting with my workouts. So now I've started kickboxing. Then it was hot yoga last year. Then it was something else. So it's
Oh my God.
Yeah.
And your 3 a.m. friend?
Oh, I have quite a few of them. I'm a complete, like, I'm a night person, so मैं तो लोगों को phone लगा रही होती हूँ 3 बजे. Yeah,
Okay,
super
one thing you love about Sunny Leone and Ranvijay.
I love Sunny's Hindi, and she is super cute, and she's very caring. Yeah, she's very caring. She really looks after you in the show, and she was very fond of me. And I think Ranvijay is a lot of fun. He's really intelligent, and he really knows what to prick to take out what from a person. So he's very intelligent. Yeah.
And one takeaway after working with Nawazuddin Siddiqui.
Oh, amazing. He's so real. Like, anyway, his personality is very grounded and very real. He's like any regular person that you talk to. And in spite of all the stardom and all the success, when he acts, that simplicity reflects. And I think a lot of people lose that over time. Like once you become a star or you know your craft, आपका काम भी थोड़ा बनावटी लगने लगता है. But his work is that's a great quality. Like his personality sort of reflects in his work, and he can just be so simple. And I think that's a great thing I learned from him.
And what's your dream role like?
It's always been see one thing. My dream director to work with was Suraj Barjatia sir, and I really wanted to work with him because मैंने पहली film life में हम आपके हैं कौन देखी थी, and I got to work with him on बड़ा नाम करेंगे, a web series I did. So he was the showrunner. But Sanjay Leela Bhansali, like anything like looking pretty and dancing, something like that's been my dream. That's something I really want to do. Yeah.
The role would be, with all the jewelry and some Shehzadi type,
As a classical dancer, I think I'll do like really well in that outfit and with
it will suit you.
Yeah.
Okay, so a very important question: relationship status, single, taken, or it's complicated?
I think it's always complicated. You're always like, is it there? Is it not there? Is it happening? Is it not happening? So, I mean, it's like for now it's single. There's not nobody who's taking my brain space and chewing my brains and
Love the
keeping me up at night. So अभी थोड़ा it's complicated कम है, थोड़ा single ही है.
Oh, super. And 3 green flags a guy should have. We would get brownie points from your end. 3 green flags.
I feel number one is he should let you be. Like you should just be able to completely be yourself in front of whoever your significant other is. Second is, I mean, yeah, I might sound like, like women don't need men and all of that, but like a solid support system, like someone you can fall back upon, like that person's going to be there to take care of you or hold you. I think that's a huge green flag. Like you can count on them.
Yeah.
And ग्रीन फ्लैग तो आधा भी नहीं मिलने वाला इसमें से किसी के अंदर, but
हम मैनिफेस्ट तो कर सकते हैं ना.
अगर हमारी साइड से है तो third I should be able to have fun. I
Yeah,
should be able to have fun with the person. Yeah.
like a chirpy guy, you know,
Yeah, chirpy, or even like
fun
even if
loving.
he's taking care of me and like super serious or whatever, but maza aana
Yeah,
chahiye. Like your interests
vibe
or
match होनी चाहिए, is it?
himself a little bit according to how you'd want it, and
Yeah.
but
Okay,
wo
so
hona
3 things that you always carry with you on the sets has to be in your bag.
the sets. Um, I mean, regular stuff, to makeup, phone, all of that, so you do.
Yeah.
I carry a highlighter because I like highlighting my script की lines. I can't function without it. जब तक वो hot pink में ऐसे नहीं दिखेगा script में, तो मुझे लगता है मुझे याद नहीं होगा कुछ भी. So I think I carry my highlighter. I carry a little fan because
Oh.
मतलब मैं कुछ भी कर रही होती हूँ वो मुंह पे ऐसे हवा आनी चाहिए सारा
हाँ.
time. Like, I feel I can't function without that. And I carry my speakers. I like listening to music when I
Music.
yeah.
Oh wow. So one actor you'd love to collaborate with, and who's been your favorite Bollywood crush? Bachpan ka, we all have one.
Um, see, like look wise, I really think Aditya Roy Kapoor is really hot and
Oh
like
no.
really good looking.
Ashiki, too.
I was like, oh my god! But like as an actor, I really like Ranveer Singh, and I think like he's super. Like
The
he takes up every
powerhouse.
role, yeah, as such a huge challenge in transforms. जैसे हम पहले आमिर खान को देखते थे बचपन में, like यार हर रोल में अलग. So I think
हाँ.
he also has that quality of being a completely different person in every character he plays. And I think like working with an actor like that would be so enriching, and it would be really beautiful.
Best advice you've had, you've received from your co-actors, which you will never forget, about working in this creative field.
Honestly, it's not the best advice, but it's a very like nice advice. छोड़ना यार, जाने दे.
Actually,
I think
इस
I
लाइन
think
से
it's
काफी कुछ समझ आता है.
ये बहुत अच्छी एडवाइस है. एवरी टाइम यू आर ऑन सेट, यार ये ठीक नहीं है, वो नहीं है, लाइन कैसे
हाँ.
आई है, टाइम नहीं है, याद कैसे करूंगी, 10 का कॉल टाइम दे दिया पर शॉर्ट 5 बजे लगा है. बट इफ यू टेल योरसेल्फ छोड़ना है,
छोड़ना यार, जाने दे. ओ.
ठीक है. I think that's the best advice in life. Most people, most situations when it's not in your hands, छोड़ना, जाने दे.
जाने दे.
That's the best way.
Well, that was lovely, and thank you so much for your time. And it was lovely talking to you. And I'm really, really looking forward to have a one-on-one conversation with you, because it was so fun, doing it virtually also. So thank you so much for your time, and thank you, Surbhi, for arranging this for us. And have a great day. Keep doing good work, and all the very best.
Thank you so much. I had a lovely time as well, and you're lovely. I had a
Thank you.
really good time. Thank you so much. And yeah, we'll
Thank
catch
you.
up when you come here. You hit me
Super.
up. I'll surely see you. Thank you. Thanks.
Okay.
Bye.
Bye. Take care.